Automation, revolutionizing industries and transforming the workforce. Automation, the use of technology to perform tasks or processes with minimal human intervention, has become a significant force driving innovation and transforming industries across the globe. This rapid advancement in automation technology has the potential to revolutionize various sectors, including manufacturing, transportation, healthcare, agriculture, and more. In this article, we will explore the impact of automation, its benefits, challenges, and the implications for the future of work. Automation has already made a profound impact on manufacturing, where robotic systems have replaced repetitive and labor-intensive tasks, leading to increased productivity, improved precision, and reduced costs. These advancements have enabled companies to achieve higher production volumes, improve product quality, and enhance workplace safety. The introduction of automation has also allowed for more flexible production processes, enabling rapid customization and adaptation to changing market demands. The transportation industry is another sector significantly impacted by automation. Self-driving vehicles and drones are poised to revolutionize logistics, delivery services, and transportation systems. Automated vehicles have the potential to increase road safety, reduce traffic congestion, and optimize fuel efficiency. Moreover, the introduction of autonomous delivery drones can streamline last-mile delivery, making it faster, more cost-effective, and environmentally friendly. Automation has the potential to transform healthcare by improving diagnostics, patient care, and administrative processes. AI-powered systems can analyze medical data, assist in disease diagnosis, and identify patterns and trends that may elude human observation. Robotic-assisted surgery is another significant application of automation, offering increased precision, reduced invasiveness, and shorter recovery times. Additionally, administrative tasks such as patient scheduling, billing, and record-keeping can be streamlined through automation, freeing up healthcare professionals to focus on patient care. In agriculture, automation technologies such as drones, robots, and smart sensors are revolutionizing farming practices. These technologies enable precise monitoring and management of crops, livestock, and environmental conditions. Automated systems can optimize irrigation, fertilizer application, and pest control, leading to higher crop yields, reduced resource consumption, and improved sustainability. Robotics and AI-powered machines can also perform tasks like harvesting, sorting, and packaging, reducing the reliance on manual labor and increasing efficiency. While automation offers numerous benefits, it also poses challenges and concerns. One major concern is the potential impact on employment. Automation has the potential to replace certain jobs, particularly those that involve repetitive tasks or can be easily standardized. This shift in the workforce landscape necessitates the need for upskilling and reskilling programs to ensure workers are equipped with the skills needed for the jobs of the future. Additionally, the ethical implications of automation, such as data privacy, algorithm bias, and the impact on social equality, require careful consideration and regulation. The future of work in an automated world will likely involve a blend of human skills and automation technologies. It is crucial to recognize that automation is not solely about replacing humans, but rather augmenting their capabilities. Automation can free up human workers from mundane and repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on more complex and creative endeavors that require critical thinking, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. To navigate this changing landscape, policymakers, businesses, and individuals need to embrace a proactive approach. Investments in education and training programs that foster digital literacy and technological proficiency are essential to equip the workforce with the skills needed in an automated economy. Governments can play a crucial role in creating supportive policies, promoting innovation, and establishing safety nets to ensure a smooth transition for workers affected by automation. In conclusion, automation is revolutionizing industries and transforming the way we work. While it offers numerous benefits such as increased productivity, efficiency, and safety, it also presents challenges related to employment and ethics. By embracing automation as a tool for augmenting human capabilities and investing in education and training, we can harness its potential to create a more prosperous and inclusive future.